Hey chick, of course I can. I would love to. One of the first and most important things I would recommend is to not compare yourself to other lash artists. I know it's hard with social media and all that, but the less you look at what other people are doing, the more focused you are on your own journey. Start looking at what other people are doing, or how many clients they've got, or how good their lash sets are. You'll be focusing on them more than you'll be focusing on yourself, and you'll get in your head and it won't be good for anyone. I would recommend to always take deposits when you're booking appointments, and this is easily done when you have an online booking system. Clients can see what times you're available, and you can set what times you don't want to be available without having to go back and forth with them like in a text message saying, do you want to come at this time? Do you want to come at that time? So always online booking. Shows your schedule. They leave a deposit. If they don't come, you've got that deposit money. And if they can't come because they've left a deposit, they'll be more inclined to call you and give you the courtesy of letting you know that they need to reschedule, as opposed to just not rocking up and wasting your time. Bit of advice would to always be upskilling. Don't just think that you've learnt and done your lash course and that's it. There's always new products, new training, new people you can learn off, different techniques. You know, some really experienced lash artists in the industry have a certain technique that they can teach you. The more you upskill, the higher you can price point your lash sets and earn more money. I would also recommend not to overload yourself. So don't think you need to be booked out all day. Ease into it, do 1 or 2 clients and leave a break in between your clients so you can stretch, your hands can stretch, and you can reset your mind if you are feeling overwhelmed. There's nothing worse than being back to back and you're in a bad headspace, because then you will start stuffing up your sets. If you do get clients that give you a lot of hassle, or they're always late, or for whatever reason their vibe is off with you, or they don't look after their lashes, don't feel bad to not have them back, because once they're removed, you'll have space for a good client to come in. So never think you're losing business by turning away clients. Today's long video. Hope that helps. If you have any more questions, please feel free to message me. I'm happy to help.